Hello, in this video I would like to show you our new direct replacement sunlight readable LCD screen for Fanuc, which is this is Fanuc numbers. Fanuc it's for the Fanuc A02B-0222-C058. The original one equipped with 8.4-inch display, so this is our brand new replacements. It's already installed our SP LED driver and has a wire adapters. So that's basically, we need to take out 4 screws. I already unscrewed. I just take it out in the back, and then you remove that. You remove this cover. So I already took out the old screen because the old screen was broken. So this is the screen's like exact replacement. You put it back like this. Okay. So I'm gonna put the screw back, 4 screws, and then find a way to mount this LED driver. So I just put 4 screws back to mount the screen. Now we have to look at the inverter. I need to remove this cover to mount the driver back to the same location of all inverters. Okay, let's take out. As you can see, okay, this is the inverter. We need to take this inverter out, and then look at our wire harness. So let's take a look. Take out the inverter. When you take out the inverter, you can connect to our wire adapters, just like that. So then we're gonna mount by the same location. Let me take this small out. There's 2 screws holding the inverter. So I just took out this inverter. That's a little bit tricky to take it out because underneath that, you see the screw. Underneath that, there's another screw holding the plastic pole. So I take it out. We're gonna clean this a little bit here. My goal is that I can actually mount this inverters right here. Mount right here. So that's okay. We're gonna clean it. So let me try to put the chassis here, then get a feel, see how we're gonna do it first. Okay. Yep. So this is the one. See that? You can come up this side. This side. Yeah, just mount like this. Perfect. Okay. So just peel it off. This wire connect to, it's a little bit long, this wire, but it's okay. Just connect here, and then you can use any type to. I'm going to use, yeah. This is a screen wire. Okay, see. So you just connect it like this. It's a little bit not tricky, but you gotta get it right. There we go. Okay, you put it in. I'm gonna get a plastic tie to make sure this stay here. So basically, I just use a piece of tape to make sure this stay here, and the plastic zip to zip this wire. And now we can put this cover back on, and then put the screw back on, and let's take a look. Okay, finally put this 4 screw back. It's really pink on the neck. Try to put it in. The socket won't fit. Stuck it. I had to use in long nose, 1 turn at a time. But anyway, so let's fire up, see what you can see. I'm not sure what kind of picture we can see, but I can try to fire up, see what happens. Let me see here. With some of these machines, you may not be able to see anything if you don't connect to the CNC. It's pretty good. Let me see. This is the only thing you can see. Oops. Let me see. Alright. Graphic is ready. Rating serial bus is ready. So that's about it. This is the only thing I can see it. Okay. It's pretty bright. Thank you for watching.